Okay, what's up guys? Today we're here at the gym. Started off nice and early. Gym opened at 8, so we're here at 8:41 and gonna do some treadmill as I'm on right now. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that. Then I'm gonna go hit the weights. Today gonna do some arms and do some legs. Now we're just warming up the body, warming up the muscles a little bit. All right, next up, I just did 15 minutes on the treadmill, which was like 1.2 or 1.3 kilometers. Now I'm gonna do some arm extension. All right, so with the arm extension, I'm doing this at 35 kgs, and with most of the machines, I'm doing 15 reps, 15 repetitions, and 3 sets. GG. Right now, it's available, so I'll move to this abductor, which is for the legs here, and 35 seems good. Can make it actually 40. The trick to never skipping leg day is to do leg day every day. So every time I come to the gym, I'm doing arm machines, but also these leg machines like abductor, adductor, and leg extension, and the other one I forgot. So I use those 4 machines for legs, or 5 sometimes. The 5th one sometimes I do is the calf machine. Probably I'll do that today as well. And then I just go around it and do as many arm machines as I can. The toughest one for me is shoulder press. I'm going to go to that after this. Okay, just did my 15 reps and 3 sets here on the abductor at 40 kgs. Now let's move to adductor. Alrighty. And let's gauge this. Yeah, let's go on 30. Maybe I could do 35, but I'll leave it on 30 for now. Should open this up a bit. Alrighty, so next up is leg extension at 25 kgs right now. This is how it looks. And again, I will do 15 reps and 3 sets. Alrighty, the next machine is leg curl. So that was the one. And leg curl is like this. And I'm doing this at 25 kgs, 15 reps, 3 sets. My legs look so skinny from this perspective. Alrighty, so leg curl is done. Now I'm gonna move on to the pectorials. This is the pectoral machine. And I'm gonna do this on 30 kg. I'm gonna do this on 30 kgs. And this is how it looks. That's good stuff. I can feel it burning in my chest. Alright, so that's the pectoral done. Next I'm moving on to low row, which is the machine right over. I really like low row. Let's go check that out. This is the low row machine. And this one I'm also doing around 30, 35. So I'll put that on 35. And basically, I want to grab this. Alright, so next up is chest press. Let's go at 30 kilograms chest press. Let's do this. Oh, you're getting all those angles. I don't know what I'm on right now, actually. Alrighty, now we're back home. That was a good gym sesh, 1 hour, 10 minutes. I ended the video before I ended all my activities because the gym was getting a bit full and it's a bit, feels still weird to film in there, you know, I'm a bit uncomfortable with that. But maybe in the future it'll get better and you'll see more stuff. Anyway, so right now we're back at home, all cleaned up and all ready to eat. As I mentioned in my previous video, we're getting food from this company called Body Chief. And today's breakfast is something called shashuka with eggs, cheese, feta cheese, and lavash. So let's take a look at this. This is what it looks like in the packaging. I can see a big egg there, got feta cheese, and the shashuka, and lavash here. So I'm actually gonna heat up this shashuka. So I'm gonna throw it in the pan. I think it'll be tastier when it's heated up. Oh, that's a nice looking egg. That's good, that's good. Look at that. Wow, check these eggs. Awesome. Alright, let's put that on a nice 7. And yeah, I'll let it heat up. I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright, this is looking so good. Look at this big egg. A lot of protein here. Got some feta cheese, a tomato. I'm sure this is gonna be extremely tasty. Alright, now it's time to try the shashuka. Here we have the lavash. One is for you, one is for me. And I'm sure it's gonna be very tasty. It looks delicious. So I'll take this lavash, grab some shashuka. Wow, there's long tomato pieces in there. I'm salivating. Add it like that and give it a try. That's dope. A little bit spicy, super tasty. Anyway, cheers, see you later.
Feeding lavash to the viewer.
What's up, guys? I'm here in the city on the main square, Krakow, Poland, and today is day 2 of the more consistent vlogging. Yeah, so today you saw I was at the gym, then came home and had the breakfast. Then we came out. Today we didn't cycle, it looked like it was gonna rain. It's very, very windy right now, but it's still very hot. It's quite pleasant though because of the wind. We just went to a coffee shop, had some coffee, but it was getting very noisy in there. Today is packed in the mall, packed outside. So we came out just to have a walk here. And we're thinking about like a different place to chill. We're even thinking about like going to a library. So if you are Polish or from Krakow and you know any cool libraries here in Krakow, just write down in the comments. The alternative was to go to the coffee shop that was called Nero. Nero is pretty cool. Like the interior design is pretty dope, and yeah, it looks nice. So look at this. Packed with people today. It's not the busiest that I've seen it, but still very busy. Very nice to be out today. Alrighty, so we've been walking around for like 4Ks right now. We're investigating, looking for a good spot to have coffee, and we found one. So tomorrow morning, hopefully, we'll come to Coffee Nero here on this street, and it's really cool interior. And they have like rooms basically, so it's pretty. There's a lot of privacy, so we can come with our laptops, do some work there. Looks really nice, and it's very well air conditioned. But right now we're gonna head to the tram stop, take a tram, and head back home.